I was supposed to start working on a toilet, but I'm gonna also work on something else at the same time, and it happens to do with this ceiling fan right here. And I'm gonna shut that off. And see this right here? That's part of the trim edge of here. You see these blades? See the nice little rope trim on here? And when something gets loose on here, where is that piece? There it is. See there? There's a piece that's loose right there. And the other piece came off right there. Somebody just started jerking on that, and yeah, you could cut that off, but then the top gets loose, see there? Because it's attached to there. And you cut that off and the next piece is going to get loose, and pretty soon you're going to have a piece missing here, you're going to have another piece hanging off somewhere else, another piece missing and missing. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that here coming up too. What I have to do with that blade is I've got to take it down, and I'm gonna take that down and put it on the floor, and I'm gonna fix the carpet at the same time. Stick around, I'll show you how. First thing I got to do is I'm gonna take this down, and I know it's this one, and so I'm just gonna undo these two support screws on the bracket. I'm going to take the whole thing down, starting from the bracket, okay? That down. And this one. And I can just kind of hang on to the whole thing. And I take this down in one go. Okay? There. So far, so good. I'll take this down on the ground and show you what I'm going to do to fix it.